one house, you only need one house. And if you only got 2 kids, can you just keep it to 2 rooms?
Right.
I mean, why have 52 rooms if you know there's somebody with no room?
I said I rebel with my conscience. I'm just a dreamer, big believer in this whole game is a process. I pray every day that I get to see the next one. My granny tell me don't question the Lord's blessings, but I'm curious. And all this weed smoke, plus I'm dead broke, homie. Shit got me delirious and ease back. My pain killed through the free sack from my Ivy Hill green pack, and my feet flat, planet. While I'm trying to go and blossom, but honestly I'm hurt by the fact they double cross me. Friends turn opposites, deal with the consequence. Gotta go and focus in, bite the hand that held, may the Lord help with your defense.
What be this? What be this? What be this?
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
You've been kept down for much too long. Stand up, please, and say I am free.
Shout out to all those out there grinding, working a 9 to 5 and shit. Fuck the motherfucking cops and all that motherfucking president shit. Fuck them. Let's go. Cause I'ma kiss the sky. I stay stacked until it kiss the sky. I swear to God, I stay stacked until it kiss the sky. I tend to dabble with my thoughts, sweet eyes redder than cyclops. Plots put together for this guap. Words scribble got me in the tunnel blur. You dry snitching talking about you move a dozen birds. Mama love me first, cool without this rap. Matter of fact, when I was bummy first, tummy hurt, small and chubby first. They ain't love me like a honey's curves. All I got was doubt, tie me down. Put the man in the iron mask, a muzzle on my mouth until I ripped it all. Hannibal like the balls, I'm vicious dog, longevity. Haters want me to be Ray and lose my vision, dog. Had the 380, but I ain't had the heart to lick 'em, dog. What if that was your brother or sister, dog, creeping through the fall? Give me your jewels, your wallet, and I'll get this pistol all to Daniel. Kiss the sky, creeping through the fall. Give me your jewels, your wallet, and I'll get this pistol off. So I'm shooting for the stars, but fuck it if I miss it. Outline of the sky, I kiss it. So I'm shooting for the stars, but fuck it if I miss it. Outline of the sky, I kiss it. And if I die young, and homie, so be it. I done blew enough weed, and these bitches, I don't need them. I ain't seen all the money that I want to, but I'm stacking motherfucker to that shit. Kiss the sky. And if I die young, and homie, so be it. I done blew enough weed, and these bitches, I don't need them. I ain't seen all the money that I want to, but I'm stacking motherfucker to that shit. Kiss the sky. This for my partner that done kiss the sky. This for my partner that done kiss the sky. This for my family that done kiss the sky. La, it was ones and fives if you bumming it with me, hundreds and fifties. The drug deals, hum of the city ring in my ear. Change first, come the man in the mirror. Death is near, Judas in your circle, worded in my journal, fighting with my pen. Everything is hell, so eternal outlet. From my angle when I'm broke, it's only verbal, fuck your pop song. People here struggle daily just to keep their lights on. Smoking the cope and praying for my folks, drunk with they bright swans. Swerve, no easy, I'm from a world where they priest treaties don't mean shit. And money piling, youngest wildin' for that fettuccine street rap without a genie. As I crave for this money and I dream for that stardom. This little man Marlon, corazon hardened, ain't no bargain in these doctor bills piling, and this money getting garnished. I wanna lick you for your happiness. Damn right, I'ma spit real shit, savviness. And I'm adding this. Motherfuckers nowadays is just dying. So I'm shooting for the stars, but fuck it if I miss it. Outline of the sky, I kiss it. So I'm shooting for the stars, but fuck it if I miss it. Outline of the sky, I kiss it.
Acha gba na plan amri.
Auntie na gba okay.
Go ask your grandfather. Tere mkumana. Kama la shinga. Ba gana wako na mia. Yeah, guys, what a good day.
What is going on, guys? What is going on? Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. It's your boy Evans, aka Zach or XAUUSD, and I'm back on your screens with another video. Yeah, so guys, today is a beautiful Sunday morning and I'm here with a day in a live video. I'm here to carry you guys along with how my Sunday as a growing forex trader here in Ghana looks like. So with that being said, today is Sunday. You know, last week was very hectic, work and combining work and trading, all that stuff, and I even tried to make a video within last week, but I left early. I left for work somewhere around Wednesday. Yeah, I left Wednesday morning to work, and I got back like last night. I got back around 11 p.m. and that should tell you how hectic or how stressful the work was and how time demanding the work is. So I couldn't get enough time to even set up a camera, let alone record a video. But today I'm back and I feel like before the week starts, I have to take you guys or show you guys what I'm looking at on the chart and what I'm expecting the coming week to do, or what the market should do on the coming week. And since last week, let's say Friday, I haven't checked the chart and I don't know how I don't even know how the market ended or how the market closed. But I'm going onto the chart today with you guys and we are going to analyze the chart together, and I'm going to show you my calculations and what I'm expecting or what I'll be expecting the market to do come next week. So with that being said, I'll be taking you guys straight into the video, and yeah, we'll just see how it goes from there. But before that, if you're new to the channel and you probably don't know who I am, my name is Evans, aka Zach or XAUUSD, and I'm a forex trader here in Ghana, and I've been documenting my journey here on YouTube, showing you guys my ups and downs on how I'm walking this journey to become a profitable forex trader. So if you're interested in content like this, do want to smash the like button for your boy, subscribe to the channel and turn on post notification. Yeah, make sure you turn on that post notification bell so that every time I drop a valuable content just like this one, you get notified. Let's get on with the video, but please ignore the background noise because this is a compound house. I'm not alone. I'm not at the level where I'll be getting my own duplex, but I know it's possible. It's on the way coming. But till then, you're gonna be sticking with what you have now. So let's get on with the video, guys. Yeah, let's get on with the video. By the way, I got some cocoa. I got my cocoa and coffee right here that I'm going to enjoy this morning as breakfast before we see how the day goes. Yeah, so I wish I could share with you guys, but it is what it is.
All the money that I want to, but I'm stacking motherfucker to that.
All of my guys they know, all of my guys they know, there is no forgetting, all of my feelings right now.
It's that organized threat. You and B shit, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah guys, so I think it's time I show you what my speculations or what my expectations for the coming week are. So with that being said, I'll be taking you guys straight into my chart so we can start our analysis from there, and we see what happens from tomorrow or even from this evening moving forward. So with that being said guys, let me take you straight into my chart so we can start with the analysis. But if you're enjoying this video, kindly hit that like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can be getting more of this kind of content on your notification. So with that being said, let's go guys. Yeah, so guys, we are now on our 4H chart of XAUUSD, and you can see my markings on the chart from the previous week. Now I'm going to take out everything. I'm going to clear the chart and restart everything afresh. So let's go guys. Alright, the chart is now clear, and now I'm going to start my analysis from, since this is like a weekly speculation, I'm going to start from my daily time frame, then we can get the higher picture from there. So take a look at this. I'm seeing this as a triangle. Yes, this is what I'm seeing on the daily time frame. I'm seeing this on the daily time frame, and it looks like a triangle for me. This kind of triangle chart patterns, I don't really know much about this, but what I know is once price gets into this kind of zones after this strong push to the upside, price then started moving this way. I think price is now getting enough or gathering enough momentum to go in the opposite direction or to continue with the previous trend. Guys, I don't really know much about this kind of a triangle or this kind of triangle chart patterns. I know a handful of chart patterns, but this triangular chart pattern, actually I don't really know much about it. I'll be urging you guys in the comment section to educate us a bit about this. You can tell me what this triangle means. That is it a continuation pattern or it's a reversal pattern? So with that being said, all I know is there's a triangle forming, and one way or the other we will be getting a breakout to the upside and price will continue up, or we will be getting price, we will see that price will break below this, break out of this trend forming the triangle pattern, breakout, come back for a retest somewhere around there, and then continues to the downside. I haven't seen gold trading this kind of zones before, but everything happens. You can't know what exactly is going to be happening in this market. Let's just hope that it ends well, or let's just hope that it ends well. You know, we are just here to follow what the market makers are doing. If they decide to make good for, let's see how it works, if they want it to push the upside, so that's what we will do. We will be hiding behind them and riding with the direction they want to carry this market to. So on the daily time frame, this is the chart pattern. I'm seeing either price breaks above the zone, come back for a retest, and then move or continue with the previous trend, or price breaks to the downside, come back for a retest, and then move in the direction or move in the opposite direction of the trend. So with that being said, I'll be taking out these guys. Where is this? Here is here. Take out these guys. All right. So on the daily time frame, let me mark out the zones. Previously, I said price was in a consolidation on the daily time frame, and you all confirmed it. That price has been in a consolidation for a very long time. After creating this highest high, highest highest high, price has never created this high before. After price created this high, it has been failing to break above this high, and we've been seeing this kind of a consolidation for a very long time. And I hope that you get a breakout of this consolidation zone. So let me indicate it with my daily. All right. Then another key zone where price has been consolidating the most. Yes, you can see that we've had multiple reactions on this zone. So this is a key zone for me. Like we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 taps on this key zone, and this is like a very strong zone. So if price breaks below this zone, then we are cooked. Gold is going to keep dropping from here, and if price breaks above this zone, that means price has had enough of this consolidation, and it wants to continue with its previous trend. So let's go. So let's move to our 4H, and then we start our intraday decision making from there. So let me show you something. I remember telling you guys that this trend was a very steep trend and it was an unhealthy trend. Yeah, I remember telling you guys that when price breaks out of this unhealthy trend, we'll be having a very massive buy. I told you guys that when price breaks out of this unhealthy trend, we will be having a very massive buy. Tell me what happened here. From here all the way. Let's see here. What happened here? Is this like a usual movement in this market? This is not a usual movement, and this is following the breakout of this unhealthy trend. So this is like some tips that, I mean, when you've been learning or you've been studying a lot of the market, you have to know all these kind of stuff and to add to your arsenal of trading ideas or trading strategy. So that's just all. So when we had a breakout of this trend line on a normal day, on a normal circumstance, we have to wait for price to come back for a retest on the trend line before we continue with the move. In an opposite direction. And because this was a news formation, I don't think, because this was a news candle, price didn't give us that retest immediately. It started moving all the way to the upside, and then it broke above this key zone. This was a 4H zone. Price broke above this zone and this zone also. So right now, these two zones are very solid zones. Yes, if I decide to extend this line to the left, you will see that price has reacted to this zone so many times in the past. So many times, like look at here. Price has reacted to this zone around here. Even here, like here, before here, and now price is reacting to this zone around this same zone around this level. So this is a very strong key zone in the market, and this is a very strong key zone, and you all can testify to that. Now price is now reacting to that zone, maybe giving us the break and retest, giving us the break and the retest formation, we on a normal circumstance we should be expecting a buy from here to the upside. That's what we should be expecting from here. Now what I'm not really sure about is price really going to respect this zone and continue to the upside, or is it going to come all the way down here to this zone and push to the upside, or come into this demand zone for us, give us the confirmation we need, and then keeps going to the upside. So this is where the difficult part is. Right now we don't know what, we don't know what price is going to really do next week, because there are so many zones that price hasn't retested, and the probability of price going all the way down there to retest are very high, following how if this was supposed to be a very legit or strong breakout and retest, when price broke above this zone, came back for the retest around here, it should just continue and not come back here. But you see, price started pushing all the way up. It didn't even break above the recent high it created. It just created another lower high, and then it started dropping. So I don't think price is going to keep buying from here. But then let's just see what happens next week. Let's see what happens next week. If price comes here, I wouldn't be so sure. If price reacts to this zone, I wouldn't be very sure about taking a trade from here. If price comes to this zone, I wouldn't be very sure about taking a trade from here either. But when price comes to this zone, this is a very solid zone, because after or before price creates this very strong bullish candle, this was the demand zone it created before pushing all the way up. So if price hasn't used that zone yet, and this is also on the 4H time frame, so if price is going to come all the way down here, then this will be a very legit setup for me, because these are the kind of A plus setups I take. And if you know me, I do this on the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, and it works on almost all the time frames that I've been using. So if price is going to come into this zone on the 4H for me, then I'll be looking to take an entry from here. But this is on like a very high time frame, and for me, I don't trade on this 4H and 1H. I normally take my entries on the 15 minute and 5 minutes, sometimes even on the 1 minute. So if price is going to come all the way down here, then I'll be taking some intraday sales or intraday positions until price gets into this zone. So that is all on this one. That's what I'm expecting on gold. Price is still bullish. From the daily time frame, you also that price is still in an uptrend. The most recent low, or the most recent key low, lowest low, hasn't been broken, and we can't the most recent key zone, or here the most recent key low on the daily time frame hasn't been broken. So with that being said, we can't really decide if price is going to sell or buy. We can't decide if price has changed from being bullish to bearish, because this low has still not been taken out, and price is in a consolidation zone, and we haven't had a breakout of this zone yet. So we can't tell if price is going to keep buying or keep selling from here. So with that being said, I'm just going to be sticking with my analysis from the 4H time frame. If price decides to come all the way down here, I will take my entry from here. If it pushes to the upside here and then decides to react to this consolidation zone, this key consolidation zone that it has reacted to multiple times and has failed to break above, if it starts reacting to this zone again, I'll be taking my sales from there. If it comes back into this zone for me, I'll be taking my buys from here too. So that's all on this one. That's my speculations for this week. Let's just see how it goes, and I'll be taking a couple of trades with you guys on this channel. That's why I always say subscribe to the channel and make sure you hit the notification bell, so that whenever a video is dropped, you will be among the first people to get to watch. So that's just all. Yeah, let's get on with the video, guys. Let's get on with the video.
Complete. This evening we bear witness to the greatest fixture in European club football. A time for grandeur, glamour, glory. It is the Champions League final.
See the city and its glitz from miles away. Promised land, but I don't believe shit that they promised me. Gonna raise, so you know I came from a lot of pain. The hunger, the struggle, the kind of things that push you to throw your life away. I'm pouring rain for my niggas that became angels, and my brothers at the border so they don't detain you. It's a miracle, I'm standing here, I'm staying thankful, but I'm still on savage mode. Get you niggas cancelled, right or wrong, starting to still shine on the killer. Cause everybody gotta die, man, we all sinners. I'm authentic, got that raw in me.
De Bruyne passes it through. And he's found the net! That's going up to be a big, big goal! Also, great header, got plenty on that. Well, as contact goes, that was tremendous, and it helped him to direct it exactly where he wanted into that net. I think when it comes to the aerial department, this fella is definitely no slouch.
What be this? What be this? What be this? Jesus. What be this? What be this? What be this?
Big occasion, big goal, crucial lead.
Niggas ain't paying attention if you ain't a big shot. So fuck it, I'ma get mine, get rich or die, live out. I penetrate the borders cause the shit I'm saying important. Generate the city, a ray of energy, that's why they sent me. I trace my legacy back to Yendi. So jumping out the Bentley, niggas looking like it can be seen. Smiling like the friendly, but they're drowning in their envy. I'm Paul Pierce, shutting down the calves in the semis. Fuck COVID, niggas better give me about 10 feet. They attitude contagious, so me I don't engage them. I'm solid, I don't say shit cause my privacy is sacred. Told them bring the pain, it's nothing new. I'm so old school, but my attitude brand new. Damn you.
The referee brings it to a close. The date in their history, the pinnacle of their existence, the greatest honour European football has to bestow, winners of the Champions League. So on to centre stage come the central characters, the individuals who
What be this? What be this? Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
So guys, about the prop firm I told you guys about, let me show you. This is on my Quantacure 10k account, and I'm still on phase 1. You will see QT power 2-step stage 1 10k, and you know the profit target was $600. I've passed. You can see at the top here, passed. Now my current profit on top of the 10k is $773, which means I've passed the 600 profit target. Now I've also passed the minimum trading days, which is 4. I've traded for 7 days, which is more than the 4 minimum trading days, and now it's left with a consistency rule. So this consistency percentage, or this consistency mark, has to drop to 35%, and I'm currently at 51.06%. so I have to trade to get this consistency percentage to 35% before I can be able to progress to the next stage, which is phase 2 of this account. So this 10k is very smooth, like although I've had my ups and downs on this account, but I mean, we're still seeing some progress. Now it's left with a good funder. It's the good funder that is actually stressing me out. Look at the amount of target for me to blow the account, and it's left with $114 for me to blow this account. That's like 2%, 2 point something percent left on this account for me to breach this account on phase 1. This is a 5k account to see. So I started trading the account on the 3rd of August, and yeah, you see, it has been very, very hectic. At some point I was up like 2%, I mean no, 4% on this account, and I've been losing the account. I've been losing back to back on this account until we are here now. So let's see if we could do something with this account from next week onwards. You know, I've actually traded with this account, this prop firm before. This was the prop firm I got my payouts with, and I eventually, I unfortunately blew the funded account I got. And now I want to get serious with it, so I got another 5k, and I'm trying to get to the funded stage again, but it seems to be going south. And yeah, that's just all. Let's see what next week has to give us regarding this account actually. So that's just all on this one. Yeah, so guys, I think I've done enough. Like, the day is almost over. It's almost 5 p.m. and I want to end the video here because I feel like the video is getting too long. So I'll be ending the video here. But before that, if you enjoyed this video and like you're probably expecting more of this kind of content, kindly hit the like button for your boy, and then make sure you subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that every time I drop valuable content just like this one, you get notified. By the way, my name is Evans, aka Zach or FX, and I'm a forex trader here in Ghana. And I've been documenting my journey here on YouTube, showing you guys my ups and downs on how I'm walking this journey to become a profitable forex trader. So that's just me. If you want to be part of this journey, just make sure to subscribe to the channel so you can see how we are progressing. And I really want to talk about my progress on this channel, even though I haven't been very consistent. I'm just glad that I've been able to document my journey from the start, not from the actual start, but I document my journey from the early stages of my forex journey, and you all can see that it's been a rough journey so far, but we're actually progressing, and that's all this channel is about. So with that being said, that's all I have on this one. See you in the next one. Peace and love. I'm out.
Then I let it be. I'm feeling good about my destiny. Had a visa in my passport and a dream. Opportunity, never know.